No, we actually baked it. So, okay. One. No, who else is it? You're the one who. There, 1, 2.
Jason?
What? What?
Guys, what did you think of La Fogata?
It was good. Filling.
Julia's were awesome. Anna's was okay.
Jason's was good.
Jason's was good.
Yep.
Mine was really good. And
And
Julia
I spilled my
spilled orange
juice.
pop on my plate, but it was alright. It was all empty already. And these are
I'm gonna
awesome.
drink this out.
Thumbs up. Jay, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. And with a finger. Oh, with a finger too.
Thumbs down. I'm joking.
And Julia, the rice was good. Awesome. You got an extra bowl.
On the baseball game, they say,